Hey guys and gals, Justin here with J Hart Model Works coming to you with another shop card shout out, and today's shop card comes to us from Jeff over at Treeline Model Works. Jeff is a great builder. He has his own YouTube channel, so go ahead and check him out. There's also a link in the description below. A lot of videos with some great content. He's currently working on the USS Constitution, and he's doing some great wood paneling stuff on that. He was working on a Revell motorcycle. I think it was a police motorcycle by, I want to say Yamaha, but he's missing a part out of the box. Check that out. If you happen to have that part, let him know, because that's, it always sucks to be stuck with that part. He does some cars, lots of cars. He just finished a 57 Ford for the Ron Stewart appreciation build. Gorgeous, really sparkly metallic purple. Beautiful paint job. He does all sorts of stuff. He does World War II type aircraft. I've seen like current military ships, helicopters, figure painting. I don't see a lot of guys doing figure painting. He's got some great figures in there. Bandai Star Wars. I love me some Bandai Star Wars. Honestly, Bandai is like the Tamiya of sci-fi kits. All their stuff is just flawlessly just shake the box together and it'll come out. But he does some great work with it. So yeah, I mean, again, a great guy, great builder. Go ahead and check him out. Give him a subscribe. Take a look at what he's got going on over there. If you want to send me a shop card, there's an email address in the description below. Just email me there and I'll shoot you my address. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep modeling, and have a great day.